So I will take you through the school ERP. So let us log in. It's a simple login. So we will show you the admin login for a school ERP. So we have a long list of features. Let me start by one. So we have an option for branches. So you can add, if a school or an institution, or it's a group of institution and it has multiple branches, you can add branches there. So you have all branches. So here, for example, we have just as a sample added Bethesda English School. We can add all the branches, and in the branches section you can add additional branches. If you have additional branches, you can add additional branches. It will give reporting and features for each of the branch. Admissions, so we can create admissions. So here, so for example, this is a branch, so I can create one more branch. This is a create branch, and for that branch all the details can be managed. For admissions, so we have admissions where you can create new admissions. You have online admissions. You have you can import multiple data as an Excel sheet. So here, once I go to a student admission, I have to add the details of the student, add it, school's first name. So the entire data of the existing students will be added as a one-time data import for the institution, and will be given and deployed for the school. So you have admissions, then you have student details. So here we can have a student list. So the entire list of the students will show here. So the entire list of the students for across the school will show here, and here you can activate, deactivate. Standard wise you can have the list of students. So the accounts or the admin can check all the list. So here no data is added, so it will not show the list. So when you have the student data, you can activate, deactivate, send individual messages to the students. You can so in this ERP will have the parent. We can add parents also, so that you can send individual notices, communication to the parents. Employees, so we will have employee, where we will have employee department, all the details about the employees. So for example, if we open the employee list here, I have added one data as a sample for you, so it will show the employee. In the same way, we can have the entire list of employees. Employees are divided here already into admin, teacher, accountant, librarian, LMS admin, hostel admin, office admin. We can add more categories as department and designations also. So we can add department, add designation, add employee, and we can activate or deactivate employees. We have card management also. So we have ID card. So you can have your own ID card template, take a printout directly from here. So if you have a color printout, take a color printout and create the ID in the school itself. No need to give it to external agencies for doing ID cards. So you have student ID card, employee ID card, and the details. So if I say add ID card, it will ask me to select the branch, ID card name. I can put the name. Okay. So is it a student or an employee? Okay. We can give the page layout. We can use whether it's a square or you want round photo style. Can give layout. So complete details about this thing. ID card, what the content you need to have in the ID card, and save. Once you save it, you can go and print the ID card. So complete. So when we say generate admit ID card, so it will give you the ID cards. So complete card management can be done on this ERP. Certificates, even certificates, we have added templates for certificates. We can create templates initially, all the certificates that we need, and the certificates can be generated, whether it's a TC certificate or a small internal certificate of the school. So we can give the certificate name, so like recognition certificate, so student or an employee. So we can create the certificate and keep it as a template. Once we save it, all the templates of the certificate are saved. So the all the admin or the teacher has to, or the the person using the school ERP has to do is go there and just print the certificate. So here, generate student, generate employee. So once we do that, while there is no template added here, so once the templates are added, you can depending on the individual school, templates can be created for that particular school, and we can just go and print it. That's it. We create the certificates, you can just go there, print it. Then we have human resource also, so all the HR. So in terms of payroll, we have payroll management. So in payroll you have salary payment. Then you even have advanced salary, so you can have advanced salary applications. You have leave management for staff, so you can apply for leave and take leave. We have exam master, where you can schedule exams, communicate about the exams. So exam scheduler will create exams. You have marks, so here we can do marks sheet entries also, mark entries also, and all the data is stored in the school ERP. Supervision, we have, if the institute has hostels, we have hostel management also, where you have hostel master, hostel room, category, allocation of hostel. We have transport also. So in transport you can do master route transport, vehicles, stoppage, assignment of vehicles, and report for transport, complete transport reporting. Attendance, so we have student attendance, employee attendance, and then even for exam attendance. So specific, so daily attendance of the student can be captured in ERP itself. So what we can also provide here is a Android application for the teachers, where they can just go and update the attendance for students every day, and the data is automatically captured in the system. So it can be an app based. So we will provide 3 or 4 options for the teachers in the app, which will have attendance, applications for leave, teacher related sections, and teachers can use it directly through the app. So attendance can be, all the students will be marked present. Only people who are absent, they can just uncheck it and the attendance is marked. We also have a section for a library. Here we can manage the library. So what are the books, we can add all the books, book categories, what are the books issued to the students. All that can be managed through library management. So book issue, book return, everything can be managed for library. Events is for different types of events that happen in an institution or in a school. So all those events can be put it as notification. So you can create an event here, and then it can be shared to the entire list. So here, for example, we created an announcement. So now if I go to events, so it will give you the option to announce any specific events to the entire group. So here we have created events, midterm exams announcement. So for class 10 standard. So we can go and assign it to any of the peoples. So it is an announcement we created, and it will go directly to those people here in the list. We have also given option for bulk SMS and email, so we can send SMS. So if the institution purchases whatever SMS package they are comfortable with, we can integrate an SMS and sending SMS to particular group, create a template for SMS and keep it. So a template for fees reminder, a template for holidays, all those templates can be kept ready. So the admin has to, or the people using the school ERP can just go use the template and send SMS. So fees reminders can be sent to particular class, particular group of people, particular parents, group of parents only. That can be done managing the bulk SMS and email option. School can choose whichever package they want as per the SMS packages. Then comes accounting. So here we have student accounting, where the complete accounting, what is the fees type, fees group, any fines that is there, fees allocation, fees payment and invoices, due fees invoices, fees reminders, all these options related to accounting related to students is there. Once we pre-upload the data for that individual institution, it is just a click for the accounts team to manage that. So reminders, fees collected information, how much of fees collected per classroom, per section, zone wise, that can be generated, and this data will be real time. And then we also have office accounting, which is accounting related to offices, so vouchers related, accounting related to teachers, accounting related to operational expenses. Everything which is non-student accounting can be managed here. And then here we can create an account. So for example, I create an account name, account number, description, and we can create the account. All transactions will show you all the transactions which is non-student related accounts. It will give you the entire list here. So you can print it. You have option to print. You have option to export it as a PDF also, and you have to you have an option to export it as Excel sheet and take a printout as well. So complete office accounting is managed here. And finally we have reports. So you can get reports. So fees reports, financial reports, attendance reports, human resource, examination, all of the things you can get reporting here. So in fees report you have fees, receipts report, dues report. So this reporting will give an automated reporting periodically. So you can select you want a daily reporting coming to the management, how much fees is collected, how much fees is pending, what is the due report. All the reports can be taken here directly. So in financial reports you will get all account statement, income reports, export reports, transition reports, also balance sheet, income versus expense. All these reports can be automatically taken from here. And even attendance reports, for student attendance reports is there, employee attendance reports is there, and exam attendance reports is there. In human resource you have payroll summary is there, and leave taken reports for human resource, that is for the staff, can be pulled out. And similarly for examination, so examination report card is there. You can do a report card also from this report section. These are the overall complete school ERP solution. So where you have, it has option for multiple branches, it has where we admissions, students, parents, employee, card management, certificates, human resource, and then transport, attendance of employees and students, library management, events management, SMS, student accounting, office accounting, and complete reporting. This is the overall complete school ERP solution we have. And we have a dashboard which will give you a dashboard of the entire data in a graphical format, which will keep showing up on your dashboard as a default. So this dashboard shows, so income versus expense. So we can choose what we want to see here as a dashboard. So here these are defaults. So what is the total strength of employee, total strength of students, parents, teachers, so student quantity, what is it, weekend attendance, inspection. So we can add whichever reporting we want, we can add it here. So this is the dashboard for your overall reporting, overall data. So that is the complete school ERP solution that comes with this. Thank you.